What's up, future six-figure freelancers? It's Abhay here, and in this video we're diving deep into the world of Upwork and showing you exactly how to turn your skills into a steady stream of income. We're breaking down the entire process into actionable steps so you can start making money on Upwork like tomorrow. So grab your coffee, get comfy, and let's get this money. Okay, so you're ready to make money on Upwork? Awesome. The first step is building a killer profile that screams, "Hire me." Start by writing a clear, concise headline that highlights your expertise. Did you increase website traffic by 500%? Shout it from the rooftops. Now let's talk about choosing the right skills to offer on Upwork. Focus on in-demand skills like web development, graphic design, content writing, and digital marketing. But remember, it's not just about following the trends, it's about finding what you're good at and what you enjoy doing. One of the biggest mistakes new freelancers make is undervaluing their services. Do your research and see what other freelancers in your niche are charging. Remember, you're not just selling your time, you're selling your expertise and the value you bring to the table. Chapter 4. Mastering the art of job hunting. Finding your perfect client. Use the filters to narrow down your search and find jobs that match your skills, budget, and timeline. Look for clients with verified payment methods and good reviews. Prioritize jobs with detailed descriptions and realistic expectations. Chapter 5. Crafting proposals that convert stand out from the crowd. Your proposal is your first impression, your chance to wow potential clients and convince them that you're the perfect freelancer for the job. Address the client by name, mention something specific from their job description, and highlight how your skills and experience align perfectly with their needs. Chapter 6. Building your reputation, delivering exceptional results. Deliver high-quality work on time every time. Communicate effectively with your clients, keep them updated on your progress, and be responsive to their questions and concerns. Chapter 7. Specializing and upskilling, becoming an in-demand expert. Specialize in a niche that you're passionate about and become an expert in that area. The more you know, the more valuable you become to clients. Chapter 8. Leveraging long-term contracts. The holy grail of freelancing. Landing one-off gigs is great, but the real money in freelancing comes from securing long-term contracts and building lasting relationships with clients. This provides you with a stable income stream and allows you to focus on what you do best, delivering amazing results. Chapter 9. Promoting your services. It's not just about Upwork. Think of Upwork as your home base, but don't be afraid to venture out and explore other opportunities to promote your services. Network with other professionals in your industry and let them know you're open to freelance opportunities. Chapter 10. Staying persistent, the key to freelancing success. Building a successful freelance career takes time, effort, and a whole lot of hustle. Learn from your rejections, analyze what worked and what didn't, and use that feedback to improve your game. So, there you have it, guys, your step-by-step guide to making serious money on Upwork. Treat your freelance career like a business. Invest in yourself and always strive to deliver exceptional results. Stay active on the platform, keep learning, keep refining your skills, and never ever give up on your dreams of financial freedom. Drop a comment below and let me know. I'm here to help you crush it.